One quiet night, you step outside and glance up at the sky, but something feels off. You blink once, twice, and then you realize the moon is gone. No explosion, no debris, no warning, just a black, star-filled sky where our oldest companion used to be. Sounds like the start of a sci-fi movie, right? But let's imagine it's real. What would happen if the moon suddenly disappeared? The answer? Earth would never be the same. Why the moon matters. To most of us, the moon is just there. A glowing rock in the sky. A background object for wolves to howl at, lovers to gaze at, and poets to write about. But the moon is so much more than that. It's a stabilizer, a timekeeper, a controller of tides. It keeps Earth's axis steady and our climate relatively predictable. It has shaped evolution, inspired cultures, and marked the passage of time. Yet we rarely think about it. Let's break down what happens if the moon simply vanished. The tides die. First, the tides. The moon's gravity drives over 70% of ocean tides. Without it, tides would shrink dramatically. Crashing waves would become ripples. Coastal ecosystems would collapse. Tide pools would vanish. Crabs, oysters, and sea turtles would struggle to survive. Marine food chains would break. Fisheries would suffer. Even ocean currents that regulate climate could weaken. And beaches? They'd feel lifeless. The Earth begins to wobble. Now let's talk about Earth's tilt. Our planet is tilted at 23.5 degrees. That tilt gives us seasons. The moon helps keep that tilt stable. Without it, Earth would wobble. Not slightly, massively. It could tilt by 60 degrees. This would cause climate chaos. One decade, Canada could be tropical. The next, the Sahara could freeze. Farming would become unpredictable. Seasons would be like spinning a roulette wheel. Animals lose their rhythm. Many animals rely on moonlight. Sea turtles hatch under full moons. Birds migrate using lunar cues. Some fish spawn only on moon cycles. Predators hunt during full moons. Prey hides. Without the moon, animals would be lost. Mating would fail. Migrations would stop. Feeding patterns would collapse. Entire species could die off. Even humans would feel it. Our sleep cycles, moods, and hormones are tied to the moon. The night goes dark. The moon is the second brightest object in the sky. Without it, nights would be deeply dark. Stargazing would improve, but everyday life would change. Romantic walks? Gone. Lunar festivals? Ancient history? Eclipses? Impossible. Cultural calendars would vanish. Lunar cycles used by ancient civilizations would become meaningless. It would feel like we lost a piece of our identity. The Earth speeds up. The moon slows down Earth's spin. Without it, days would get shorter. At first, just milliseconds. Eventually, 22 hours, 18, maybe 12. Life would feel faster. Sleep, work, and farming would be disrupted. Tech would struggle to keep up. GPS and satellites would need reprogramming. Time itself would change. We'd be living on a very different planet. Cosmic shield and space travel. The moon protects Earth from meteors. Without it, we're more exposed, more impacts, more damage. It's also a launch pad for space travel. No moon means no testing ground, no stepping stone to Mars, no lunar colonies. Without the moon, human space exploration could stall, maybe forever. Our conclusion, so, what if the moon disappeared? The tides would vanish, Earth would wobble, climates would shift, animals would lose rhythm, nights would go dark, time itself would change, and our future in space would dim. The moon is silent, distant, but vital. Without it, Earth spins into chaos. Next time you look up, take a moment. Because if it were gone, you'd feel it. Every single day.